Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have the tutorial on the viral Strawberry Girl makeup look. I know I am late to the party, but let's get on to the video. I'll start by priming my eyelids with an eyeshadow base just to cover up all the hyperpigmentation around the eyes and make sure the eyeshadows stays put throughout the day. Next, with a fluffy brush, I'll take the shade Say It's True and apply just above the crease. Then I'll take the shade Kickstart and deepen the crease. It will act as a transition shade. I'll take the shade This Guy with the blending brush and apply it in the inner corners only. I'll deepen it up enough for the colors to pop. Next, I'll take the shade Alone with a dense blending brush and apply it focusing in the inner corner and the center of the eyelids. I'll go back and forth with the shade, deepen it up. I'll take the shade Faithfully and apply it with my finger. Shimmer shades are best applied with the finger. I'll again take a blending brush and smoothen out the edges. Next, with an angled brush, I'll mix the shade This Guy and Alone and apply it in my waterline. With the same brush, I'll also create a tiny wing in the outer corner to give a nice lift to the eye. I'll blend out the edges with a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'll clean the edges with a concealer to give a sharp and defined look. I'll use this Maybelline Colossal Liquid Eyeliner and make the tiniest wing. I'll also draw the inner corner V. I'll highlight my inner corner and also blend out the outer corner with an angled brush for a seamless wing. I'll use a nude gold kajal pencil in my waterline. I almost forgot the mascara. I'll apply the Benefit They Are Real Magnet Mascara. I'll use this blush from Lotte London, Red Hot, and apply it in my cheeks and also bring it up to the eye level so it blends with the eye look. I'll then use this Romand Face Veil as the highlighter. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you all next time.